If you're looking to earn some extra income, there are a variety of side hustles available to you. However, many require a lot of capital or effort to get started. One innovative solution is Honeygain, an app that monetizes your unused internet bandwidth to generate passive income around the clock. You simply install the app on your device and let it run in the background, earning you 1 Honeygain credit for every 10 MB of internet traffic that goes through your network. Once you accumulate enough credits, you can cash them out through PayPal or cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and JMPT. While Honeygain is a great option, there are other apps available that can help you monetize your unused internet bandwidth, including Peer2Profit, iProil Pawns, EarnApp, Traf Monetizer, and PacketStream. By using multiple apps simultaneously, you can maximize your earnings without spending extra electricity, and even compound your earnings into other forms of investments. Overall, internet monetization is an effortless and free avenue for generating passive income, and Honeygain is a great place to start. While it may not generate a large amount of revenue, it can add up over time and provide you with some extra income for the little pleasures in life. Check out the description below for sign-up links that entitle you to a bonus.